Hey Brickheads, Scott with 36 Bricks here, taking a look at Lego City Construction Bulldozer 60252. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so there are a few aspects of this build, some of which are literally nonchalant. It's literally just stacking tiles on top of bricks. So I'm not really going to go over that. That's really not impressive to me for the most part. So I'm just going to go ahead and set those aside for now. I also do want to showcase these cones. To be honest, they're cool, but they're really big for what they are. However, I have seen larger size construction cones recently. So you get two of these, so those are pretty decent. And then you get this printed tile, this construction worker tile. I actually really like this. Gives great detail, gives, I mean, it obviously tells a story. Hey, there's construction ahead, so pretty good with that. Back here, you have some more construction. I am a big fan of masonry bricks, so you get two 2x4. You get two 1x4 masonry bricks that they stick 1x4 tiles on. That looks amazing. I like that. And then, of course, 2x2 bricks. You know, nothing too fancy there. As far as the build, there's a couple other aspects to the build. So you have a nice little cement mixer. I think this is really awesome. They did a really good job with this. I mean, it's simple, it's sweet, it works, it makes sense. So I am a big fan of that. Easily a fan of that. Coming here to the tractor, the trailer here, pretty short, simple, and sweet. Nothing fancy about it. It looks great. It plays the role very nicely. Over on this section here, of course, the tractor, it looks great. I mean, it functions well. I really love the detail that they put into, you know, all of the aspects of the build. This is a definite, when I do some construction work in my city, I will have this laid out to share with in the city. It just looks amazing. I mean, I like it for a 4+ set. Really good stuff. Now for the nicest part of the build, I think this wrecking ball crane. I came in like a wrecking ball. This actually looks really cool. I really love what they've done with this. They've got some of the nice support pieces here, along with the shovel and hammer pieces. You do get, of course, the jackhammer to go with it, and the wrecking, it just fits. It just fits. Easily something you can put together easily something that you can have in your city. The one aspect that I'm not a fan of is this hook right here. I love having the piece, but to be honest, there's not much to it. I mean, like, I just don't understand why it's there. Now, if it's meant, which it doesn't showcase, if it's meant for something along the lines of you taking the wrecking ball off, and then, of course, as they do in other builds, you put that on there, that makes sense. I believe you can actually also put it in here. Let's see. I believe it also goes in here. Yeah, so it does go in here as well. Again, they don't show that in the instructions, but that could easily be switched out and have fun with that. In fact, you could pretty much leave it there. That's probably the intention on it, but for whatever reason in the instructions, it literally just hooks on the back of here, and that's it. So all in all, really great builds. I really like what they've done with this. Good job, Lego. Moving on to the minifigure here. We've got two minifigures in this set. The first construction worker here, I love the detail. I don't know if one is a supervisor and one isn't. To me, honestly, this feels like this would be the supervisor because it's got a different color shirt than what we're typically used to. We've got a brown shirt underneath the vest. We got really great details as far as the belt and the vest itself. Even gotten some buttons on the shirt, which is really nice. As far as the expression, nothing that we haven't seen in the past, so very nonchalant with that. Coming around the back, of course, there's not going to be a secondary facial expression because the hat doesn't cover it up, but you can clearly see the level of detail on the back of the torso. You got some pliers here. I'm not sure if those are wire cutters or, you know, needle nose pliers, but you can clearly tell he's got a tool in his back pocket or on his belt. But really great stuff. I really love the fact that they are upping their game on the minifigures. Last but certainly not least, we have another construction worker. Again, not exactly sure who's the boss. If this is Tony Danza or Alyssa Milano. But nevertheless, the shirt is amazing looking. You have what looks like a light blue shirt. Not sure if it's supposed to be white or light blue or not, just because it does look light blue, but it's a blue torso, so the blue might be fading through. But you do get some really great details in the pockets and in the vest here. Coming around to the back, of course, more exceptional detail as far as the back of the torso. Nothing really on the legs, unfortunately. I think that's a little bit of a misstep as always, but nevertheless, great minifigure. Wanted to talk about his facial features a little bit. Of course, he's got a goatee, really like that. He is a ginger, and then he's been working hard because he's got some dirt and everything on his face. Really like the fact that they're adding those details on that. It really looks awesome. Alright guys, so there you have it. The Construction Bulldozer, set number 60252. This is awesome. I love this. I actually have a few of these. Can't wait to incorporate it into my city. Hope you guys like this kind of stuff. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time on 36 Bricks. Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank all of my Patreon supporters. It really means a lot that you've taken the time, energy, effort to support my channel, the videos that I create, and the live streams. It really does mean a lot. If you're not a member, please go to patreon.com/36bricks. That's patreon.com/36brix. Check out my memberships. And if you like what you see, please sign up. If not, click the donate button on... Ooh, this one's cool. Check this one out. I agree, that one's cool. This one's awesome. Ooh, I like this one. I just can't stop watching. Well, I like them all, and I'm gonna subscribe. Can you do the same? Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 36 Brix.